Hello Sanskrit students. In the previous class, I was teaching Anuragodaya. You know, Mahashweta had come to Achoda lake to take bath with her mother Gauri. All of a sudden, she smelled the fragrance of divine flower. She was very curious to know from where it has come. So, she started to move in that direction from where that fragrance is coming. Okay. ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ಕುತೋಯಂ ಇತಿ ಉಪಾರೂಢ ಕುತೂಹಲ. ಕುತೋಯಂ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈ ಪರಿಮಳ, ಈ ಸುಗಂಧ? ಕುತೂಹಲ ಚ ಅಹಂ, ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕುತೂಹಲವಾಯಿತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಮುಕುಲಿತ ಲೋಚನ, ಐ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮೈ ಐಸ್ ಹಾಫ್. ತೇನ ಕುಸುಮ ಗಂಧೇನ ಮಧುಕರೀವ ಆಕರ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣ. ಮಧುಕರೀವ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಬಿ, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಆಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಕತಿಚಿತ್ ಪದಾನಿ ಗತ್ವ, ಐ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟು, 2-3 ಹೆಜ್ಜೆನ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಯಾರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೆ? ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ದೇರ್ ಶಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮುನಿಕುಮಾರ. He also had come there to take bath. How was he? He was extremely handsome, good looking. He was not alone. One more Tapas Kumara had accompanied him. Both were friends of the same age. Now she describes the handsome figure of Munikumara. She compares him to Vasanta. Shashi means moon, and Manmatha, Madana, means he was extremely good looking. Okay. Katichit padani gatva, I moved few steps. You come to end of that para. Munikumarakam apashyam, I saw an ascetic boy. Munikumara. See the ulta bari, backward. ಸ್ನಾನಾರ್ಥಂ ಆಗತಂ, ಅವನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಬಾತ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಅತಿ ಮನೋಹರಂ, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಅಪರೇಣ ತಾಪಸುಕುಮಾರೇಣ ಅನುಗತಂ. ಅಪರೇಣ ತಾಪಸುಕುಮಾರ, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಅಕಂಪನಿಡ್ ಬೈ ಅನದರ್ ತಾಪಸುಕುಮಾರ. Atmanurupena Swavayasa, of his age. Both were friends and both are of the same age. Now she describes his handsome form in a very beautiful and very detailed manner. Second line beginning ಬರ್ರಿ. ವಸಂತಮೇವ ತಪಸ್ಯಂತಂ. ಅವನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಂತೆ ವಸಂತ ಕಾಲವೇ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೆನಾನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಚಿಗುರು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಸುಂದರನಾಗಿದ್ದ. ತಪಸ್ಸಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು? ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್, ಬೋತ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ similar characters. Munikumara was practicing penance. So common character, Vasanta also should practice penance. Okay. Why Vasanta will practice penance? So Bana Bhatta gives reason for spring season to practice penance. Why he is practicing penance? Vasantamiva tapasyantam. This Munikumara was like Vasanta was practicing penance. ಮತ್ತೆ reverse ಬರ್ರಿ. Madana shoka vidhuram. That Vasanta was practicing penance because Vasanta was very much grieved. ಅವನು ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖಿತನಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮದನ ಶೋಕ ವಿಧುರ. He was sad at the death of Madana. Madana, Kama, Manmatha, god of love. These are all the different names for Manmatha. Okay. Vasanta was sad at the death of Madana or Manmatha. Okay. Why Madana died? ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಹರನಯನ ಹುತಾಶಯನ ಇಂಧನೀಕೃತ. ಹರನಯನ, ಹರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿವ, ನಯನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಣ್ಣು. He was burnt by the third eye of Shiva. Madana was burnt by the third eye of Shiva. So, spring Vasanta was very much sad at the death of Madana. So, with sorrow, he was practicing penance. This was the reason given by Banabhatta. This is not actual fact. In short, what he wants to tell is, Munikumara was as handsome as Vasanta. Munikumara was also practicing penance. So Vasanta also practicing penance. He should bring the common character. So he gives this reason. Okay, one comparison is over. Now second one. Akhila mandala praptyartham ishanah shiraha shashankamiva dridavratam. He was like Shashanka. Shashanka andre Chandra, moon. He was like moon. Again, he was also practicing penance, Dridhavrata. Munikumara was like moon practicing penance. Okay. Moon ಯಾಕೆ penance ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಮೂನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ? He is on the head of Shiva. Ishanah Shiraha. The moon on the head of Shiva. Why he is practicing penance? Akhila Mandala Praptyartham. To gain the mastery of the whole world. Idu just imagination of a Banabhatta. Okay, he was as beautiful as moon. Munikumara also practicing penance and Shashanka or moon also practicing penance. Yake? To gain the mastery of the whole world sitting on the head of Shiva. In short, Munikumara was like Vasanta. Munikumara was like Shashanka. Now, the third comparison. Ayugmalochanam vashikartu kamam kamam iva sa niyamam. Kama ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ Madana Manmatha. He was like Manmatha. He was very handsome like Manmatha. Manmatha also practicing penance. Saniyamam. Common character should come. ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಮನ್ಮಥನ ಹಾಗೆ. ಮನ್ಮಥ ಯಾಕೆ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ಅಯುಗ್ಮಲೋಚನಂ ವಶೀಕರ್ತು ಕಾಮಂ. He wanted to attract Ayugmalochana, Shiva. Manmatha wanted to attract Shiva's attention, so he was practicing penance. This was the imagination of the poet. So now, Munikumara was compared to one Vasanta, spring, and another moon, and third one Manmatha or Kama. All three, Vasanta, Shashanka and Manmatha. All these were practicing penance. So the common character between Munikumara and these three. Now, he was having Yajnopavita, the sacred thread. Bana describes that sacred thread. He tells it was like lotus fiber. Last ಬರ್ರಿ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತೇನ ಅಲಂಕೃತಂ. He was adorned with that sacred thread. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಮೃಣಾಲೇನ ಇವ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಫೈಬರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು? ಲೋಟಸ್ ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಲೇಕ್ ಬೇಕು. ಲೋಟಸ್ ಫೈಬರ್, ದ ಫೈಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೇಕ್. ವಿಚ್ ಲೇಕ್? ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆನಾನ್ಸ್. ತಪಸ್ಸೆನ್ನುವಂತ ಸರೋವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ಕಮಲದ ದೇಟಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವನ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ ಅಲಂಕೃತನಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಬಾಣೋಚ್ಚಿಷ್ಟಂ ಜಗತ್ ಸರ್ವಂ ಅಂತ. ಬಾಣನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳೆ ಎಳೆ ಎಳೆಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಬಿಡದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಜುರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆತ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತೇನ ಅಲಂಕೃತಂ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಡಾರ್ನ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ. ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತದಿಂದ ಅಲಂಕೃತನಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಈ ಋಷಿ ಮುನಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಮಂಡಲನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿತಾರೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ವೆಸಲ್. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಏಕೇನ ಸನಾಲ ಬಕುಲ ಫಲಾಕಾರಂ ಕಮಂಡುಲಂ. ಏಕೇನ, ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, he had kamandulu. That is the water vessel. With one hand he had kamandulu. That is the water vessel. It was like bakula falakaram. It was like bakula fruit. This bakula fruit was the fruit found in those days. Okay, it was like bakula fruit. This is easy. Then aparena, with another hand. With one hand he was holding that kamandalu. Okay. Then aparena, with another hand, what he was holding? ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಅಪರೇಣ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಪರೇಣ ಮಕರ ಕೇತು ವಿನಾಶ. ಅಪರೇಣ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಕರೇಣ ಅಂತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಪರೇಣ ಕರೇಣ, ವಿತ್ ಅನದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಫಟಿಕಾಕ್ಷ ಮಾಲಿಕಾ. ಸ್ಫಟಿಕ ಅಕ್ಷಮಾಲಿಕಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ರೋಸರಿ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೋಸರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಫಟಿಕದ ಮಣಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಅಕ್ಷಮಾಲಿಕೆ ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೈಯೊಳಗೆ. ನಾವು ದೋಸ್ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ವು? It was like, those beads were like tears of Rati. Crystal beads were like tears of Rati. Who is Rati? Rati is the wife of Madana. Okay. Why tears were coming from the eyes of Rati? Because Madana died. Her husband Manmata was the husband of Rati, and he died. He was burnt by the third eye of Shiva. So the poet is comparing that crystal beads of rosary to the drops of tears of Rati. Nodri, aparena karena, with another hand, Spatikaksha Malika. He was holding Akshamalika with crystal beads. Rosary with crystal beads. ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಬಾಷ್ಪ ಜಲಬಿಂದುಭಿ ಆರಚಿತಾಂ. They were made up of ಬಾಷ್ಪ ಬಿಂದು, tears, drops of tears. They were made, all beads were made up of tears of, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ರಿ, ರತೇಹ ಇವ. As if it was not real, as if they were made up of drops of tears of Rati. ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಶೋಕ ರುದಿತಾಯಾಹ, because of her grief, because of her sorrow. ಯಾಕೆ? ಮಕರಕೇತು ವಿನಾಶ. ಮಕರಕೇತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನ್ಮಥ. ಮಕರಕೇತು ವಿನಾಶ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೆತ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಕರಕೇತು, ಮದನ. The meaning once again, Makaraketu or Madana died, and Rati, his wife, was crying. Naturally, tears were rolling down, and those tears were looking like beads, crystal beads of rosary. Bana says the beads of that crystal beads of rosary looking similar to teardrops of Rati was crying at the death of Madana. Next, Alankaramiva Brahmacharyasa. He was Brahmachari, so he was an adornment to the celibacy. Brahmacharyake alankarnagidda. Yauvanam iva dharmasya. He was like young form of dharma. He was very righteous. Young form. He was young. So, Bana thinks he was a young form of dharma. Vilasamiva Saraswatyaha. He was very learned. He knew all Vedangas, well-read scholar. So, he was like Vilasamiva Saraswatyaha, grace of Saraswati. Next, Sanketa Sthanamiva Sarva Shrutinam. He was just like, I told you, he was well-read, Panditanagidda. He was like meeting place of all Vedas. ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇದಗಳ ಸಂಗಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಆತನಿದ್ದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಭೂಷಿತ ಮುಖಂ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಭೂಷಿತ ಮುಖಂ. His face was adorned with tilaka bhuti. His face was adorned with marks of vibhuti, sacred marks of vibhuti. They were white like flower, because it was spring season, Chaitra month. It was very white like flower in the spring season. That type of Muni Kumara I saw. See how each and every minute thing she has observed, means Bana has observed, and he describes in this manner. Okay, here grammar point, Gatva. Gatva, recall it. What is that? Tvantavayam Tva pratyaya. Apashyam. It is lang lakara, uttam purusha, ekvachana. Okay, questions you have to see. Mahashvetayaha pita kaha? Ekvakyan uttaram likata. Who is Mahashveta's father? Mahashveta's father was Hamsaha. Mahashveta kam prati swavrittantam kathayati? To whom she tells her story? Chandrapidam. Mahashveta Chandrapidam prati swavrittantam kathayati. Mahashveta snatum kutra agacchati? Where she comes to take bath? Acchodasaraha. Mahashveta snatum acchodasaraha agacchati. Mahashveta kim ajigrat? What did she smell? Mahashveta kusuma gandham ajigrat. Fifth one, ಶ್ವೇತಕೇತೋಃ ತನಯಃ ಕಃ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ನೆನಪಿರಬಹುದು. ಶ್ವೇತಕೇತೋಃ ತನಯಃ ಕಃ? ಶ್ವೇತಕೇತೋಃ ತನಯಃ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಃ. ದ್ವಿತ್ರಯ ವಾಕ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 2015, 17, 19 3 years ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಹಾಶ್ವೇತಾಯಾಃ ವಪುಷಿ ಯೌವನಂ ಕಥಂ ಪದಂ ಕೃತಂ? ಹೌ ಅಡೋಲೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ Mahashveta. This Dvitraya Vakya you have to write. Okay? Remaining questions I will solve in the next class. Till then, bye students. Thank you.